Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be focusing on the V sound. All right, have you ever had trouble with the V? Particularly Russian students that I've had, or German students, and students from India as well. They struggle with this a little bit, the difference between the W and the V. So the V sound, it's really easy. Basically, we have to do certain things with our articulators, our lips, our teeth, our throat. That's what we're going to get into right now. So to create the V sound in English, you should follow three steps. These three steps. One, place the top of your teeth lightly against your bottom lip. It has to touch a little bit. Turn on your voice, which means you should feel a vibration in your throat. In another video, we'll talk about voice and unvoiced consonant sounds, but basically, when I say turn on your voice, I mean make a sound from your throat. Uh, 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 uh. Right? So if you bite your bottom lip slightly and you make a noise, you're going to be pushing out a little bit of air. Right? So, number one, place the top of your teeth lightly against your bottom lip. Number two, turn on your voice, which means you should feel a vibration in your throat. As you're voicing, let air flow out steadily. You should feel the vibration on your lip from the voiced air passing through. So you have to make noise. Uh. You have to bite the bottom lip. And a little bit of air. Little bit of air is coming out. Like very, very vexed, vicious. All right, so that's what I mean by use your voice. Those are the three things you should do. Now, the V sound is voiced and frictional, meaning it relies on a steady flow of air and vibration of the vocal cords. It's similar to the F sound, except that the F is voiceless. You don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. So if you say v, 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 and you touch your throat, you're going to feel vibration. It's going to vibrate a little bit. V, v, v. If you say F and touch your throat, you don't feel anything, right? Because that's voiceless. There's no voice there. So when I say use your voice, I'm referring to that sound that comes from your throat. V, 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 v. All right, so what we're going to do, we are going to practice the V sound, but we're going to compare it to other very similar sounds, which are, for example, the P, the B, the F, and the W, which a lot of students struggle with. Students like to say V when it's a W, 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 W. The difference is W is voiceless. Again, touch your throat. W, 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 W. There's minimal or no vibration. W, 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 W. And V, 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 V. Vibration. So we have, again, touch your throat. No vibration. B, 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 B. Minimal vibration. No vibration. V, V, V. Vibration. W, W, W. No vibration or minimal vibration. All right, so let's see if we can practice this list of words. I'm going to read them out loud. Just listen, follow along, and read it after I do so you can practice these sounds. All right, so let's do it. Letter P. So the p, p, p sound. From number one, we have Perry, Pat, Paul, Pig, Prayed, Poi, Pull, Purr. Then we have all the B sounds, the b, 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 b. Berry, Bat, Ball, that three should be down there. Big, Braid, Boy, Bull, Burr. Then we have the F sound, the voiceless sound. Fairy, Fat, Fall, Fig, Frayed, Foil, Full, Fur. Then we have the V's. Very, Vat, Vault, vim, avoid, verb. Then the W's. Wary, wax, wall, wig, wade, wool, were. All right, so I'm going to repeat them again from the very beginning, but I'm going to repeat them slower so that you have time to repeat after I do. Number 1, Perry. Number 2, Pat. Number 3, Paul. Number 4, pig. Number 5, prayed. Number 6, poi. Number 7, pull. Number 8, purr. Then we have B's. Number 1, berry. Number 2, bat. Number 3, ball. Number 4, big. Number 5, braid. Number 6, boy. Number 7, bull. Number 8, burr. Now we have the F's. Number 1, fairy. Number 2, fat. Number 3, fall. Number 4, fig. Number 5, frayed. Number 6, foil. Number 7, full. Number 8, fur. Now the V's. Number 1, very. Number 2, vat. Number 3, vault. Number 4, vim. Number 5, avoid. Number 6, verb. Now we have the the W's. Number 1, wary. Number 2, wax. Number 3, wall. Number 4, wig. Number 5, wade. Number 6, wool. Number 7, were. All right, so go back, play it again, repeat, repeat, repeat as much as possible. We're going to see if we can practice now with a riddle. All right, so I want to read this riddle out loud, and you guys are going to have to tell me the answer. See if you know the answer to this riddle. If you know the answer, write it down in the comments below. All right, so let's see if we read this riddle out loud. I have a V in my name, but I'm not alive. I hold a drink, be it water or a jive. I'm not vast, but I fit in your hand just right. And when I'm full, I'm a sipper's delight. What am I? I'll repeat it again. I have a V in my name, but I'm not alive. I hold a drink, be it water or a jive. I'm not vast, but I fit in your hand just right. And when I'm full, I'm a sipper's delight. What am I? All right, now, I'm giving you a little hint on the very bottom here. Consider an object that can hold liquids, often found on tables or in kitchens. So it's one word, one object. What's the answer? Let me know down in the comments. All right, so write the answer below. All right, so as always, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe so that you can see future videos on accent reduction skills and many other types of videos that I'm going to be creating in the future as well. And we're going to be ending with the quote of the day from Zig Ziglar. If you're not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. All right. So subscribe, learn, go through all the videos, improve your accent skills, pronunciation, vocabulary, reading, listening, improve your English skills. And you'll see how doors that you can't even imagine right now, doors will open for you, and you'll have all these different opportunities if you improve your language skills. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.